Hey everybody, this will be a really quick one, but I wanted to cover two things actually today that have really let me breathe a sigh of relief. The first one actually I talked about at the end of the previous video, but it's really quick and I feel like people might not have made it all the way to the end and might not see it, and it's really kind of changed my life the last 24 hours or so. So I'm at my Google Classroom and I've got a bunch of classes and I've been creating a bunch of assignments, and it's been kind of tough keeping track of which ones are completely graded and which ones still have people with a few submissions that I haven't gotten to. And also, if you get late submissions and stuff starts trickling one or two at a time, it's really hard to keep track of by going into each individual class. But what you can do instead is go to this little to-do list right here, and you'll see that it gives you all of the assignments that you've made for all of your classes with just these important numbers. How many people have been assigned the um, task but haven't necessarily turned it in for whatever reason. So I know I've got 3 people still out there that need to complete this assignment, and I don't have any ungraded submissions, which would show up under turned in. So here again, I've got 6 people that still need to do this assignment, but none that are turned in and haven't been graded yet. And so when I'm trying to update my grades and get people feedback, I can, instead of going click back and forth through all the classes, I can just come to this page and run down the list, and I can see that I'm doing okay, but I've got 1 or 2 submissions in a bunch of these different assignments that I need to go and check and make sure they get taken care of. The other thing I wanted to show you was I made a mistake today, and I made an assignment for one of my biology classes to fill out a notes outline and view a video and go through some slides that I had prepared. And I forgot to make it for both of my biology classes. So I've got it for B4 bio. You can see under classwork, I have my DNA replication unit and my DNA replication notes outline assigned to my other class here, G1. You can see that I have the lecture slides and the pacing guide ready for them to go, but no assignment for them to actually fill out the outline. So, oh no, what am I going to do? Luckily, I can just click on create here. Unfortunately, you can't actually go back into the original assignment and then change it to cover multiple classes. But what you can do is go to create and skip over all of these different types of materials and get down to reuse post. If you click on reuse post, it'll pull up all of the stuff that you've been making recently, and I actually don't know how far back this will go, if you can use things from like previous years or whatnot. I guess we'll find out going forward. But for now, I can click on my Unit 7 replicating notes outline, click on the reuse button down here in the corner. Oh, I'm in the way. Let me move. Click reuse, and I will get a copy of that assignment with all of the settings except for who it's for. It'll be now set to G1, the classroom that I was in when I created this assignment, instead of the class that it was originally made for. Now I can actually at this point go back and make this one for both, but I'm assuming that would create a duplicate assignment for B4, who already has one sitting there. This would create a second one, so I don't want to make them do it twice. I'm just going to leave it as G1 conceptual bio, and I'll have 2 assignments, but I don't have to create the whole darn thing from scratch. I can assign a due date if I would like. In the way again, set March 30th. We'll give them till midnight to do it, and I don't need a rubric for this particular assignment, so we'll skip that, and I will hit assign, and it'll be good to go. So yeah, really quick one, but 2 really valuable tips that have kind of taken a little bit of stress off me the last day or so, so I hope it will be as helpful for you guys as well. Don't forget to let me know if you have run into problems that you'd like me to try and look into an answer for, or if you know a better way to do some of the things that I've been showing here. By all means, contact me by email, nicholas.stahl@schools.herman.net, or comment on the video here, and I'll try to add or update the videos as we move forward. Have a great day.